At Palmist Healthcare, we believe in turning your business dreams into reality. We are more than manufacturers, we are your partners in success. With research and development at our core, we create custom solutions that align with your vision. From innovative formulations to trend-driven designs, we empower your brand to shine. Our expertise spans across hundreds of unique textures and custom formulations. Whether you're building a skincare line or launching a bold cosmetics range, we've got you covered. As one of India's fastest-growing private label manufacturers, we deliver bulk production without compromising on quality. Every product is crafted to meet industry-leading standards. Your brand deserves to stand out. That's why we offer fully customizable packaging and branding solutions, ensuring every detail reflects your identity. Behind every successful product is rigorous research and development. Our state-of-the-art labs and skilled experts ensure innovative, effective, and globally accepted solutions. Our reach extends across the globe. With a track record of excellence, we help brands thrive in competitive markets, saving you time, effort, and infrastructure costs. Palmist Healthcare is not just a manufacturer. We're your strategic partner, helping you navigate the beauty industry and achieve your business goals.